Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put contact lenses. If you are a beginner and do not have any hands-on experience with contact lenses, this video is exactly for you. For this video, I'm going to use Haniix lenses. Thank you Haniix for sending me lenses. Today we're going to use this lens to show you how I actually put on lenses. This is the box it comes in. This is my first time opening it. It comes in a cute sealed package. I have 3 different shades to show you guys. The package also comes with the lens applicator. This is very important if you're a beginner. This is gonna help you so much. I'm so glad they sent me this because this is going to make the entire process hands-free and infection-free. They also sent a cute little hand sponge and 3 different lenses. Let's try out one by one. I have 3 different shades. This is how the packaging looks. Very innovative. Once I open, you can see an instruction on how to put on lenses and also how to remove lenses. They have all the instruction written on the package itself. Inside they do have lenses in the package, 2 lenses and the lens case. This is very helpful, so once you use, you can always keep it back in the lens case. For the demo today, I'm gonna use the shade Narco Brown. Once you open, you can see it has both water. It's a lens solution in which they have their lens. I'm gonna transfer this to the lens box. Alright, I transfer the lens into the lens box. I am going to use this. This is a lens applicator. It always comes in 2 pieces. One to hold the lens and another one to pick the lens. So I'm gonna use this to pick the lens. This, make sure you have hands-free application. Trust me, if you have anything in your hand, it's gonna hurt your eyes so much. So I would recommend using this. Take the lens out. I use the holder to take the lens out and place it in the holder like this. This is how it should sit. Once you have this, look straight into the mirror. Do not look anywhere else. Pull your lower and upper lash together and place your lens right on the eyeball. That's it. You're gonna tear up a little bit. It's completely fine. Use a Q-tip if you have a makeup already on like me to clean up all the tears. Make any little adjustments by pulling your upper and lower lashes until it sits perfectly in your eyes. That's it. Look at it. Looks so pretty, so pretty. This is with and without. I love how it looks. It looks super pretty, very natural. It sits comfortably on the eyes. I'm gonna pop up on the other side. The key really here is to pull your upper and lower lashes to a really good space so you can easily pop it on. And make any little adjustments to make it sit in your eyes. Again, it won't come in a one go. It will take 1 or 2 try to get it right. But once you get hang of it, it's really easy. This is how it looks in my eyes. All you need is a bit more practice and you'll definitely get hang of it. This feels like really natural lens in my eyes. This looks super pretty. I love the shade. The next shade I'm going to try is Tessa Hazel. This color is so pretty. Can you look at the difference it makes? This literally changes my makeup look completely. Can you see that? Look at the difference. This is with and this is without. In close-up once again. This might seem crazy and scary, but it's really not. Once you get hang of it, it's really easy. Look at this shade. And the third shade is called Lover Brown. This is how it looks with and without. All these lenses looks really pretty. They all look very natural compared to most of the brands I have used. I put it on both the eyes and this is how it looks. Zoomed in to show how it looks close by. If you are a beginner or the first time lens user, try this method which I suggested in the video. Comment below if that really helped you. If you guys want to buy any of these lenses, you can use my discount code in the description box and make your purchase. I hope you guys find this video useful. If you do so, then please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that each time I post something new, you get notified. I will see you in the next video. Bye.